Hello and good day everyone. Welcome back to Mapora. In today's video, we are going to look at the ArcGIS interface, the main parts you see when you open ArcGIS and the must-know components before starting GIS practicals. If you are a beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the ArcGIS screen with full confidence. First, open the ArcGIS software. Once ArcGIS is opened, you will see a main window. This is the main workspace where we work on GIS projects. At the top of the screen, you can see the menu bar. Here you will find File, Edit, View, Bookmarks, Geoprocessing, Customize, Windows, Help. For an example, how to open a new project. Go to File, New Project, Open, then Save. At the beginner level, the menu bar is mainly used for file handling and tool access. Below the menu bar, you can see the toolbars. Toolbars contain shortcut icons for frequently used tools. Common toolbars include Standard Toolbar, Tools Toolbar, Editor Toolbar. For examples, zoom in, zoom out, pan, selected features, identify tool. This is a simple tip for you. If a toolbar is missing, go to Customize, then Toolbar and click the required toolbar. On the left side of the screen is the table of contents, also known as TOC. Here, all map layers are listed. You can turn layers on or off. You can control symbology. That's it. The center part of the screen is the map display area. Here, the actual map view is displayed, zoom, pan and selected operations are performed. Every GIS operation you perform is visually displayed in this area. At the bottom of the screen is the status bar. Here you can see mouse pointer coordinates, map scale, projection information. For an example, when you move the cursor, the X and Y coordinates update live. This is very useful for GPS work and accuracy checking. The catalog window is used to manage files, shape files, geodatabases, toolboxes. To open it, go to Windows, then Catalog. The Catalog window is very important for organizing GIS projects. When doing digitizing work, we use the Editor toolbar. Here you will find Start Editing, Save Editing, Stop Editing. Since today's video is only an interface introduction, we will cover editing practicals in detail in the next videos. So, these are the main components of the ArcGIS interface. In the next video, we will cover how to add layers, practical methods to open shapefiles. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe to Mapora for more GIS practical tutorials. See you in the next lesson. Mapora. Learn in Made Easy.